caveman.
That's beautiful. I'm gonna miss it. I'm gonna get down to where I wanted. Look at the link that it's missing.
Ew.
Maybe to here. I'm follically gifted on my face.
Follically gifted on your face.
Not on my. That's what you gotta do when you have a beard. Gotta wear a bandana.
Okay, we're back. How's the coffee?
Let me describe it like I'm a YouTuber. Well, the presentation is great. It's in this nice clear cup. The ice to coffee ratio is just perfect. It's good color, very dark. You know, I always like a dark coffee. Got it from Siphon. It doesn't say on the cup though. Bad branding.
Well, it might have been on the sleeve thing.
But they didn't give me a sleeve, so I can't show y'all. So, but not very good branding, if you ask me.
How's it taste?
Tastes like coffee. They use plastic straws, which isn't good for the environment. And plastic cup too.
Tap water, beautiful, great presentation, nice and clear. Look,
how's
very clear.
the alkaline levels? Is that what it is?
pH levels?
Yeah. And you taste the minerals?
Basic, yeah. I taste the fluoride.
That's good. Comment down below if you love my beard. You should be happy. I'm shaving it off for you. So.
You're not even shaving it off.
What do you mean?
Okay, fine. You're trimming it, right?
I mean, yeah, but I'm trimming it down a lot. It's like when your hair was down to here and now it's up to here. That's what it's like.
And I cried because you did
Okay,
it
so
wrong.
maybe I'm gonna cry after I trim my beard.
If you cry, I'll support you.
We love our trash TV, don't we?
We love trash TV.
I wish I could be on a trash TV show. What trash TV show would I be on?
I'm trying to think.
The Real World.
No. Jersey Shore.
Ew. I like Jersey Shore. But I don't want to be on Jersey Shore.
You sound like someone on Jersey Shore
I
sometimes.
don't.
Yes. When you're joking around, you sound crazy.
Wish me luck, guys. Remember, subscribe. Hit that like button.
Good luck. We're going to IKEA. The last time we went to IKEA, there was nothing, and it's actually really disappointing because everything that we wanted, it was gone. And honestly, most items at IKEA, like when we looked at like the showroom area, most things were like oversold or like they were back ordered. So we're gonna go back mostly for getting picture frames because we just bought some prints for the apartment, and then we also want some more planters maybe because we've been really getting into our house plants and just making our house look more cute, just more homey, just because I mean we are both working from home, I'm going to school from home, and yeah, I mean we're just trying to make our place just as comfy but also as peaceful as possible with two dogs who like to run and destroy most things. This should be a fun vlog because we're doing a lot and we're really trying to up our vlog game because like I said before in a previous vlog, I love watching vlogs. I love just like trying to get to know the people and like how their lives are. And Will has been pretty apprehensive about getting on camera, but I feel like he's opening up a lot more, so that's fun for me, fun for y'all hopefully. Also, it was my birthday. It was my birthday a couple days ago. I turned 26, which is crazy to think about. And I mean it was a really chill birthday day because I had class, I had a lot of meetings and homework and some work too, so it wasn't anything crazy. Like I think we also just like cleaned the apartment. It looks cleaner for sure.
I mean he cleaned, I mean this part is similar.
You look more handsome. I'm glad you did that. I mean, what do you think?
Yeah, I mean I like it. I mean I'm happy that it still looks full. Look how high. I'm just like working. I stand up. I'm tired.
Oh my god.
Playing Warzone. You know? You don't want to sit down too much while playing Warzone. Your mask is falling off. I don't know why your big nose can't hold up there. Just kidding. My nose is bigger than yours.
Yeah, whatever.
I don't know. Sexual.
Somehow we left with another plant. She's pretty. Is it she?
I don't know. I just like it because it looks like Lord of the Rings.
Oh really? I was thinking it looks like the Harry Potter.
Oh,
The one that cries.
does, yeah.
It's a bonsai tree, so shout out to Susan and her dad. What the hell? Okay, this is for the vlog. Say hi! Okay, no one says hi. Okay, cool.
Hi, Mama on camera.
Coffee from a sugar bean.
How was it?
It was good.
Better than the other one?
Yeah. Wait, well, from
Cited?
No. Yeah, it is different. It's a vanilla latte.
Oh my god, there's so many people.
Unsullied by sponsors since 2020.
Yeah,
It's good, but we're not sponsored by Sugar Bean, unfortunately.
okay, so these are our doggies. We just took them on a walk, so they're tired. You can tell. They're breathing like this. But it was the first day of coolish weather, so we took advantage of that. And now we're gonna head back. Hi guys, so we just got back from Costco. Will's currently prepping his lunch for the next week, basically. He has a bunch of steaks.
This is what I eat every day.
Yeah.
Very healthy for me.
We also went to Target and we got this mirror, which we've been wanting for a while because I have a mirror in my old apartment and Will keeps taking it to actually look at himself when he works out. But here is the mirror. Excuse the mess, but look how cute. I feel like it just like opens up the space a lot. Dogs begging for food as always. Hello babies. Mini Costco haul. Multi-grain tortilla chips because they're healthy-ish. Bananas. Spinach. Peaches. Looking at yourself in the mirror.
I just like my outfit.
How would y'all rate Will's outfit today? But you look grumpy.